We're sitting here at the Windjammer, getting our breakfast together. If she went to go get her food. This is our view out at the ocean, day out to sea. And this is what is breakfast for this morning so far. Got salmon, got hash brown, got a chocolate pancake, got scrambled eggs, some bacon, some chicken sausage, and some cheese. Bring that right back. Let my wife get her food. I'm gonna wash it down with some orange juice. OJ didn't taste it. It's alright. It ain't orange juice, but it's alright. Wifey just pulled up with her plate. Ooh, what you get, baby?
Smoked salmon with oh, I'm sorry.
No, you got me. Okay, I'm sorry.
With some scrambled eggs and a cinnamon.
Oh, okay.
And that's avocado toast.
Avocado toast. All right. This is what we call stairs exercising. From the 15th floor down to the 5th floor. That's right. Getting ready to go in the shop to see how much the model for the Star of the Seas is. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, you're good. I'm sorry. Your feet was Yeah, we out here on the walking or running deck, getting our exercise on. Woo. Getting in people's way. Yeah. Back of the ship. There's the wake.
The opposite of the highway.
Yeah.
That's lane is back lane, right lane is
Yeah. Bump, bump, bump. Trying to work off some of that food. You alright, baby?
Oh yeah.
What are we doing?
Taking a quick break.
Over here in Thrill Island right now, chilling out on the sea day.
Yeah. Get ready to tour. We're touring the ship. We're on 16. Working our way back down to 11 so we can take a little break before we go to our 1:30 appointment.
Yeah, Giovanni, Italian restaurant.
Yeah. Trying to get to learn where everything is on the cruise ship. They have, you said 7 slides?
7 or 8.
Yeah.
They got Category 6, Frightening Boat, Storm Chaser, Hurricane Hunter, Pressure Drop, and Storm Surge.
Yeah.
That's 6.
I might try one on port though, because there's a lot of people and children on these things, and I don't want to be, you know.
She don't want to knock them down.
Yeah, you know it.
Trying to get on the ride.
This wind is, woo! Thank God I braided my hair before we got on here. Because if I had a wig on, it would be in the wind.
In the wind.
I feel for people who got wigs on, because they losing hats and everything out here. When we was at port yesterday, child lost his chip phone, cell on tag.
His cruise card.
Yeah, he lost it. The wind blew it right out of his hand.
Right into the water. So if you got children, hold on to your sale and sign cards for your children.
Yeah, for the babies.
Lime and coconut bar. Deck 15. My sidekick's still back there behind me. And we getting ready to go walk into the aqua market. We going in the aqua market. Check the aqua market out. See. Yeah. Whoop. No, it wasn't. These are the restaurants that's inside the aqua market. And they menus. All right. Crepe line is crazy. Mai Tai. I know she looking at that. They got the pig out barbecue. Mediterranean. La Chiente.
Pretty good. It's about 260 now, right? I bought, after the September 11 attacks, 5 years ago, right? I bought them for $7.32. Unfortunately, I didn't buy enough. I should have mortgaged my house.
In the overlook in the front of the ship. Cheers. They got a bar in the overlook. Tour in the front of the ship. Got 2 jacuzzis up here in the front.
You're the answer to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear
Restaurant.
that angels brought me here. Hello, good morning, my lovely loyalties. Hello, yes, you heard it right. The angels have brought me here to assist you with your loyalty needs here on this cruise. And of course, my prayers are answered as well because you are all here to celebrate.
We came back to the room to chill out for a little bit before we end up going down to Giovanni's for lunch.
Thank you. 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 Thank you.
Giovanni. Good afternoon. How are you?
Very good. How are you guys?
We doing fine, and you?
Very good. Just give me a second. I'll be back to you.
All right, no problem. Take your time. Take your time. I'm over here recording. This is the menu here for lunch. Giovanni's. And for my drinkers, this is the back side for the drinkers. And pricing. We got us a nice view of the ocean. People down lounging outside watching the ship go. My beautiful wife over there. They brought us some bread with some sauce, some olives, garlic. My wife, she's the bread person.
Wait till the food comes out.
Yeah. But yeah, this is a nice Giovanni's. It's on the 6th floor, midship, right by the big curve over there. It's actually in an open area. I thought it would be in a restaurant, but it's actually in an open area. Yeah. Give you a little view of what's going on around me. And like I said, we upstairs. You can look down, people lounging down below. That's part of the track on the 5th floor that goes around. So, yeah, we here for lunch, waiting for our food to come out. Stromboli. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Nice. You got you a Caesar salad. And I can't share my stromboli with you.
It's got pork in it.
Yep, got pork in it. What do you say about the salad?
Perfect. It's what you call a salad.
Yeah, my stromboli. Got a whole bunch of cheese in it. I'm gonna let y'all see the cheese pull.
Oh yeah,
It's worth it.
it is.
She's looking at her
Clam linguine.
linguine and my fettuccine chicken. Yes. Sunshine with her flower in her hair. Well.
That was good.
Yes.
Yeah, but I eat the bread. If my husband ain't gonna eat it.
Nah, you go ahead and eat it. I had enough to looking for Pier 7 on the surf side. Huh? You want to look at the menu?
Wanna give us something?
Yeah. Oh. Good afternoon. How you doing? Baby, up to you, baby. Up to you.
Oh, I thought you were gonna take a picture.
No, we're here at Pier 7 at Surfside, the aft of the ship, trying them out. What did you get? I got the chicken lettuce cup.
I got a bowl.
You got the Buddha bowl.
Buddha bowl with raw tuna.
Mm-hmm.
I got fish tacos. The lobster and shrimp.
The pasta.
Pasta
Mm-hmm.
and the sauce.
And I got the Korean fried chicken with the caramel waffles. So we're gonna see how that is. Our first time here at Pier 7. You have to have a reservation in order to eat here. And it's a pretty nice place. Chef, they over there cooking our food.
It's like a surf. It has like a
Surfside.
It's like a wave.
Yeah, the sea like a wave from the Surfside.
They got the surfing photos.
Yep. So as soon as the food come out, we're gonna let y'all see it, and y'all already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna devour it. Big bats, big bats.
That's all. I know you got it.
Yeah.
Hi.
Thank you.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh, that was delicious.
This is the Buddha bowl.
Mm-hmm.
That is delicious. And this is the chicken lettuce cup.
Yeah, lettuce cup.
Oh yeah. This is after I dressed it up with the sauce. Oh man, the mango, the Buddha bowl.
Mm-hmm. Mango, cucumber, avocado, radish, rice. That's really good.
It's coming.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, that looks good.
Pasta.
Yes.
Share the taco.
Oh,
You can
that's
also
beautiful.
share the waffle.
Okay, thank
I
you.
can literally split it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, you good, baby? Mm-hmm.
Actually, we can share this one.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Enjoy your meal.
All right, thank you. To the people, gotta explain to the people. This is the Korean chicken with white rice.
It's jasmine rice.
Oh, it's jasmine rice. Okay.
Gotta be specific.
And then what you get?
No lobster and shrimp Alfredo. Creamy sauce.
Creamy sauce.
I got food in my mouth. Fish tacos with chips.
Fish tacos.
Yeah, I got food in my mouth. You gotta say it.
I'm sorry.
I got a mouthful of food.
I'm sorry. We're about to put it down. Star of the Seas. Pier 7. Surfside. Okay.
Of ice cream in case you want to take one piece from him.
Thank you.
Oh,
I know that's going to happen.
yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, we had the Back to the
Back to
Future.
the Future, the musical.
Yeah.
We ain't gonna be able to record when the show starts. So guess we'll have to tell you guys about it, and you have to see it for yourself.
Yeah, on Star of the Seas,
Yeah.
Royal Caribbean.
Yeah, no photography during the show. It might interrupt the space-time continuum. Okay.
And get here, if you ever go to a show, get there an hour before they open up
Yes.
the doors.
I hate to say it, it's better to stand in the front of the line than being way in the back. We was here 45 minutes earlier than the line was already on.
Yep.
We got some good seats though.
Oh, yeah.
It's starting to get jam-packed already.
Dive in, dream big, and let the tides take you. This is Ocean Odyssey, only aboard Star of the Seas. The only way she'd see the royal scroll is if it was reflected in her mirror. King Atlantis and Sammy will need to call on the wisest creatures of the sea, Mother Turtle. Because in the deep, slow and steady doesn't just win the race, it leads the way.